Welcome back to the Everyday Show. We are thrilled you're sharing an hour with us, and of course, we love our moms on this show. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Oh, thank you.
And sometimes I call my producer a mother. What? Just kidding. Mother's Day, one of the busiest days of the year, and if you're trying to take mom out for Mother's Day, you're looking for some fresh new ideas.
Yeah, so Greg is here, our dating expert. He's here with ideas for making mom feel special this coming Sunday. Good to have you here.
That's right. Who's more special than your mother?
Not many people.
Not many
in my
people.
book.
In my book.
No.
You guys ready for Mother's Day?
Actually, I've got some
ready
planning
for
to do.
Mother's
You've
Day.
got
You better
some-
get
You
with
just
it.
relax and let us do the work.
Well-
You've got 3 components on how we can make this Mother's Day sing.
That's right. First, everybody has a meal for Mother's Day.
Gotta have a meal.
So what you need to do is, a lot of people are afraid to get out of their comfort zone for a meal. I use OpenTable.com.
Okay.
OpenTable will allow you to read up on restaurants around. They've got a great Mother's Day section. You can make your reservations right there. Boom, you're in. You've got Mother's Day reservations, a place to go, and you're not waiting in line.
This is good year-round, but for Mother's Day, specifically making that reservation.
What are your
Absolutely.
3 favorites
I
there?
did a little research. I like 1515. It's a great downtown location.
Yeah.
The 3 that I picked out, they're around the $25 a person range. I think it's very affordable. And 1515's downtown, so that's a great central
Perfect.
location. Max Grill and Grill, it's in the Washington Park area. So for those of you who live in that area, that's a great place as well. They're going to have a seafood brunch there and prime rib. Everybody
Sounds
loves
good.
that.
30
liking
bucks a
that.
person, not bad.
Right there. And Zengo, this one was a given from me. $10 bottomless mimosas.
Oh,
You'll
Lord.
enjoy
Oh,
that. I
yes.
think Mom will too.
Yeah.
Get your mom blitzed on Mother's Day.
That's
I've
right.
always said that. She's much more pleasant after the 4th mimosa.
Oh, my. I don't think I'll
is.
take my little ones to that one.
So,
You know, we talk about there's the meal. Now we're going to create some memories.
We want the memory on Mother's Day.
you know, memories are a big thing. What you need to do, here's something that I did. I think this is a good idea. You go to a nursery around town, have your mom with you. A lot of people have families. Bring your family as well. Have mom pick out her favorite flower and pot it, and you can get it right there. Make a memory with her that she can remember for a long time, and she can look at that all summer long and remember that special day that's Mother's Day.
Love that.
Hopefully it won't die in the pot.
And when you make that memory, no, it's not.
With my plans, oh, there's Chris's memory. It's a dead plant.
Bye-bye.
Absolutely.
And then lastly, what's your last
Well,
tip?
once you make that memory, you want to capture the moment. Have your cameras ready. Be ready to take a lot of pictures. Have that so that you can put it in a frame. Maybe you made the frame. Maybe you picked it up. And you have a moment, a memory, and a meal. And those are the 3 components that will really
That's
put you
terrific.
over.
Awesome ideas. Very quickly, a couple of places you were mentioning, too, might be out of the ordinary to take mom. Botanic Gardens?
You know what? A lot of places that are good photo opportunities. You got the Botanic Gardens. You have Washington Park, where they have a great garden there as well. Red Rocks is a wonderful place for photos. And, you know, Botanic Gardens, if you haven't gone there, that place, you really are going to get some good pictures.
Good stuff.
You know, and those are just places, it's fun to go when you live in Colorado, but take the day to just hang out with mom. If you can, if she lives
That's
here,
right.
go to those
And,
places.
you know, moms are all ages now, so you're going to have the younger mothers, you're going to have the husbands that are going to want to take their mom or their wives somewhere that are mothers, and then you're going to have the mothers that have, you know, daughters and grandchildren. And
Yep.
Good advice, my
Thanks,
friends.
Greg.
yeah, enjoy
Appreciate
Mother's
it.
Day.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone a week early.
Yep. When we come